Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding or creating the section ID you'll link to. This is the anchor like hash contact. In the block editor, select the block and set its HTML anchor. In Classic Edit, add ID equals contact to the element. Once done, keep the page open and also open a preview tab so you can confirm the exact anchor text. Make sure you note whether the page is same page or a different page, because that changes the link format. Next, create or edit the button you'll link. Click the button block, type your text, then paste the anchor. Use hash contact for same page jumps or full path /page/hash contact for other pages. If using a menu or HTML widget, wrap a href equals /page/hash contact. Make sure to test the slug and remove trailing slashes if needed. Once set, preview the page and click the button to confirm it scrolls or navigates to the intended section. Finish by publishing or updating the page and immediately testing the button in both desktop and mobile views to ensure the scroll lands correctly. If it does not, clear any cache plugins and your browser cache, because stale files often block changes. Also check for theme or plugin JavaScript that alters anchor behavior. Disabling that script temporarily isolates the problem. If the anchor still fails, confirm the ID matches exactly, and there are no duplicate ID on the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.